I thank you, Honourable Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Ratu Nyundamu for his question. Honourable Speaker, Fiji's engagement with Japan under the Lomawata-Kizuna Partnership continues to strengthen our disaster resilience and emergency preparedness, grounded in a relationship of trust and of mutual respect. Honourable Speaker, the Official Security Assistance, or OSA, is a strategic initiative by Japan to support like-minded countries through the provision of equipment, supplies, and infrastructure to enhance security and response capabilities. Fiji was among the first recipients of this assistance in the Pacific in 2023, with support directed through the Republic of Fiji Military Forces Naval Division. The assistance delivered tangible physical improvements. This included maritime equipment and support assets used in patrol and surveillance operations, upgrades to operational and storage facilities, and communications equipment to improve coordination at sea. These are practical ground-level enhancements that strengthen our ability to protect our maritime domain. Honourable Speaker, the new grant assistance for Japan's fiscal year 2025, signed on 30th March 2026, will further enhance Fiji's disaster response capability through the provision of ambulances, field medical tents, and automated external defibrillators. These are critical assets that will strengthen emergency transportation and frontline medical response during large-scale disasters. Honourable Speaker, I wish to emphasize the importance of direct engagement in securing these outcomes. My recent visit to Japan and my meeting with Defence Minister Shinjiro Koizumi was instrumental in advancing this cooperation. Face-to-face engagement allows Fiji to clearly present its national priorities, particularly the increasing demand placed on our response agencies by climate-related events. It ensures that assistance is not generic, but tailored to our specific operational needs. It also strengthens trust at the highest levels, which is essential in securing timely and meaningful support. Through this engagement, Fiji has positioned itself as an active partner. We are not simply receiving assistance, we are shaping it to ensure it delivers real outcomes for our people. Honourable Speaker, for a small island developing state such as Fiji, disaster preparedness is essential. This support strengthens our national response capability, aligns with our national security strategy, and enhances our ability to contribute to regional humanitarian assistance and disaster relief efforts. On behalf of the government and the people of Fiji, I convey our sincere appreciation to the government and the people of Japan for this continued and meaningful support. And I thank you, Honourable Speaker.